And welcome back. We begin with the news from Caymanas Park, where disgruntled trainers are restive over the 3-week late payment of purses by promoting company Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited. As Denise Walters reports, they were forced into an emergency meeting to discuss actions to take going forward.
Ryan Darby, president of the United States Racehorse Trainers Association, said despite having more than one meeting with the CEO and chairman of Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, SVREL, a unanimous vote was taken by the trainers at Thursday's meeting to send an official letter demanding purses be paid within 7 days as agreed on.
Since Supreme Ventures has come on board, they have invested in some capital projects, but the only project that has affected trainers and owners and grooms that we see immediate effect was the 7-day payment. They have nothing else that has improved our life. They have nothing else, nothing has improved since Supreme Ventures has come that direct improve for trainers or the groom or the owner's life, apart from the 7-day payment. And that's the main thing we ask them, to go back to the 7-day payment to make it easy, to make it ease on the industry.
He says while the latest incident, which has resulted in the trainers not being paid within a 3-week period, the late payment of purses has been ongoing for 5 months.
To prepare us, we take a month. We take a month to prepare us, So for us to prepare us, we have been spending for probably a month preparing him for the race. When the race run and he wins and earn, we're going to wait another month or 3 weeks to collect again. So we're going 2 months without collecting. We can't be crediting in a losing industry.
President of the Grooms Association of Jamaica, Fabian White, whose association also held a meeting on Thursday, said the non-payment of purses also affects the grooms.
Normally, and true that the traders say take a month to prepare a horse, and for prepare a horse, that month they need money. So if you can encourage the owner by giving him money in 7 days, we get more owner which the industry need. So we are all for it here too, because as you know, as you said, the trainer money come late, our one double late.
Darby says immediate industrial action is not on the table, but it could be a case where a race meet may not go ahead based on lack of prepared horses being nominated.
The main thing we might have is that the horse is not properly prepared to be nominated, but they have no, say, industrial action planned. But if horses are not ready for a nomination, I guess we'll have a minimum entry or no entry, because we need money to run the plant.
He is expecting an answer from SVREL by Monday, and another meeting is planned for next Tuesday with the trainers to discuss a plan of action depending on the response from the promoting company to the letter from the trainers. Approximately 40% of the trainers turned up at Thursday's meeting at Caymanas Park that lasted for at least an hour. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.